Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. Double Dip sent me a few items to try out, so I thought I would do a nail haul so that y'all can see what I got. I really like how they package everything in this box. It couldn't fit on my desk properly for me to show the items because the camera would be a little too close. So anyway, the first thing I got is this hollow bag. I really like the bag, it's really cute. So let's open it to see what's inside. In this bag, we have some dip powders and other nail accessories. So the first thing I'm showing is this instructions booklet, and it's really detailed. It had their mission statement, how to prep your nails, application steps, tips and tricks, how to remove the nails, and some frequently asked questions. Next, I got an orange wood stick, a very thin nail file, a buffing block, and some replacement applicators. I also got a dust brush, now the dip powders. This is the pastel style dip powder starter kit, and I got 7 dip powders. The first dip powder is called Clear Sky, and it is a light blue dip powder. I had to dim the lights so y'all can get a better look at the colors. Then we have Emerald, another light blue dip powder. Magnolia, a light purple dip powder. Enchanted, a pixie glitter dip powder. Champagne Gold, a gold glitter dip powder. This dip powder isn't included in the pastel dip powder kit, by the way. This came separately. Bunny Nose, a light pink dip powder. And clear dip powder. So these are all of the colors swatched, excluding the clear dip powder. So I'm just going to be putting everything back into the bag, and it's really great for storing your dip powders. Now the second item I got in the box is some premium nail liquids. This is the front of the box, and the box is so pretty as well. And the back of the box has some product features which says there's no harsh chemicals, which is a very good thing and it's good to know. And there's also vitamins and proteins in the liquids to strengthen your nail beds. They also listed the ingredients as well. So anyway, let's see what's inside. So these are the liquids. This is the base, which is step 2, activator, which is step 3, top coat, which is step 4, and brush saver, which is step 5. So I tried to open the base liquid and it just wasn't having it. I tried my best but nothing was working. I really hope I can open it eventually. But let me know in the comments below if you all have any tips for opening this bottle, because I do not want it to break. So the top coat opened easily, so I'll be using the top coat as base for my next nail set with double dip products. Now I also got some butterfly stickers. And I got the same thing in another package they sent me a while ago. So the butterfly spilled all in the bag. Some of the containers were open. So I'm just closing them back. And there was so much butterflies in the bag, so I didn't want to take out everything and then there's a mess. So I'm just going to be showing you all a peek at what's included, and I'll leave a link to another video where I actually took out everything and showed it to you all. So there are 2 containers of butterfly glitters, then a few cards of butterfly stickers, some mini rhinestones, a tweezer, and that's it. There are some cards in the bag as well, but that's not important. Now the next item they sent is the Bellavena Glam Polygel kit. And this is the last of it. So this is the box, and I'm just going to be removing the plastic wrap. When I open the box, the first thing I see is this paper, and it shows some different nail shapes, and there's also a nail ruler as well. Next are the polygels, but we will get to the polygels later on. Then some instructions. And below there's a box, and in the box included a nail lamp, a USB cord, some nail clips and a slip solution, rhinestones, a tweezer, base and top coat, hand file, polygel brush and picker, and dual forms. So that's it. Now back to the polygels. I got 6 glitter polygels and all came sealed. So I'm just going to swatch them on a paper towel for y'all to see, and the colors are really pretty. 2 of the colors are repeat from the polygel kit I reviewed a while ago. I'll link to that video in the cards, but all the colors are so gorgeous. these are the polygels after curing. So these are all the items I got from Double Dip. If you see anything you're interested in, I will have links to everything below, and you can use my code to get some money off at checkout. These items are really good too. I will be doing a video soon using some of the items, so stay tuned for that. I actually already did a video using some of the items, but I haven't edited it yet, and it's going to take a while to edit and do a voiceover. So this video was easier for me to do because it's actually 4 in the morning and I want to get this video out in the next few hours. So anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye guys.